Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Be safe and stay at home. Obey your mommy and daddy. Have a healthy food. Okay, children? Shall we pass on to the lesson? Today, what subject we are going to learn? We are going to learn the subject social studies. Yes, your grades is right. Today we are going to learn the subject social studies. In this subject social studies, today we are going to learn lesson 6. Look at here what the mummy is doing. The mother is taking care of the baby. She is hugging the baby and she is taking care. Look at the next picture. What the boy is doing? The boy is sharing his chocolate with a friend. Okay. He is sharing the chocolate with a friend. What do you understand from this? Sharing. This is first picture is caring and the next picture is sharing. Today we are going to learn the lesson about caring and sharing. Caring and sharing. What's the name of the lesson? Caring and sharing. Look at your children. What are the things that you should share with your sister or brother? Draw lines from the butterfly to the correct flowers. Okay, what are the things that you should share with your sister or brother? Somebody is having elder sister or younger sister. Somebody is having elder brother or younger brother. With them, how you are sharing the things. Now, look at the first one, crayons. Crayon, you can share crayon with your brother or sister? Yes, many of them say, yes, I hear it. And then toys. You can share toys with your brother or sister? Yes, very good. Sharing with your friend or sharing with your sister or brother is a good habit. And the next one, towel. Towel, sharing the towel, you can share it. In the previous lessons you learnt it, no? What are the things you have to share? What are the things you shouldn't share? You learnt it, no? Towel, shall we share it with others? No, you shouldn't share it. Okay? And then books. Books, can you share it? Yes, books we can share. And then sweet, shall we share? Yes, we can share sweets. And then hanky. Hanky means kerchief. Kerchief, shall we share? No, we shouldn't share the hanky. And then pencil. Pencil, shall we share? Yes, we can share pencil. And then comb, shall we share? No, comb we should not share. Shall we do it? Take a pencil. We will do this exercise now. Crayons we can share, so we have to take it and match it with the butterfly. And toys also we can share, so we have to match it. And the towel we shouldn't, so we shouldn't touch it. Books, yes, we can share. And then hanky we shouldn't. And then pencil, yes. These are all the things we can share, but we shouldn't share the towel, hanky and comb. Okay. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now, look at this small girl. What's the name of the girl? This is Zoya. What's the name of the small girl? Zoya. Z-O-Y-A. Zoya. This is Zoya. Look at here. On elder sister is there, no? Yes. This is Maya. What's her name? Maya. Who is this Maya? She is Zoya's sister. She is Zoya's sister. She is the elder sister of Zoya. She is elder than Zoya. This is Maya. She is elder than Zoya. Elder sister. Okay. Now, look at here. Who is he? This is Arun. This is Arun. He is Zoya and Maya's father. Zoya and Maya's father. Who is he? He is Zoya and Maya's father. What is his name? His name is Arun. His name is Arun. Who is she? This is Ziba. This is Ziba. She is Zoya and Maya's mother. She is Zoya and Maya's mother. What's her name? Ziba. What's her name? Ziba. And she is Zoya and Maya's mother. Look at here. Zoya lives with her parents and her sister Maya. With whom this little girl lives? The little girl lives with her parents and her sister Maya. Who were parents? You learnt it in the previous lesson, no? Yes, father and mother are called parents. Whom we call parents? Father and mother are called parents. Very good. Zoya, little girl, lives with her parents and her sister Maya. Maya is elder than Zoya. Look at the picture. What the two girls are doing? They are sharing the work and doing the kitchen work with their mother. And here also they help their parents in cleaning the house. They share the work at home. What are the work at home? Cleaning the vessels, mopping the floor, every work they share and do all the work at home. They are happy family. They live so happily. They love one another. They share all the work. What are the work they have? They share the work and do it. Look at here what the children are doing. Zoya and Maya both are sitting and learning their lessons. Not only in the work, Zoya and Maya's parents both care for the children in everything they need. They work hard. Your mommy and daddy is also working hard, no? For you? Yes, just like that. Zoya and Maya parents also work hard to fulfill their needs. What are their needs? They try to fulfill their needs. And then not only in working, they also help them to learn their studies. Now your mommy is helping you to learn the lessons, no? Yes. She helps you, no? To watch the video, everything, for doing the homework, everything. Your mommy and daddy is helping you, no? Yes, just like that. Zoya and Maya's parents also help them. They help the children with their studies. They help the children with their studies. Not only in studies, they sit and play with their children. Whenever they have a free time, they usually sit and play. They play with Zoya and Maya. Look at here, the younger one, elder one, mommy, daddy, 4 of them sit together and play. Yes, what game is that? Carom board. Yes, many are telling correctly. Carom board. The four of them sit together and play carom board. Not only carom board, they play many games. If they didn't feel well, if they get sick, Zoya and Maya parents take care of them. If the children is not feeling, if you are not feeling well, your mommy daddy take care of you, no? They take you to the doctor, no? Yes, and they give medicine for every interval of time, no? Yes, they are taking care. Just like that, Zoya and Maya's parents also taking care of them. They look after their children when they fall sick. When they are not feeling well, Zoya and Maya parents take care of them. And then not only your parents love you, you also love your parents, no? Yes, Zoya and Maya also love their parents. They both also love their parents. They both help their mother to keep their house clean. Zoya and Maya help their parents to keep the house clean. Always we should keep our house clean. Okay, children? You should keep the waste in the dustbin only. Okay? You should keep your house clean. Now we complete the lesson. Shall we do the exercises? Read and answer. Read and answer. Part A. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. We must share or never share the work at home. What's a good habit? What they are doing? Maya and Zoya family, their parents know what they are doing. They are sharing the work. Sharing the work is a good habit. Number 2, our parents or friends look after us at home. Who looks after you in your home? When you are at home, who looks after you? Your friend or your parents? Your parents. So you have to give a circle for parents. Number 3, we must help our parents to keep the house dirty or clean. How we have to keep the house? We have to keep it dirty wherever you have to put the sharpener waste. You have to put everything. No, we should keep our house clean. Shall we do the exercise? Now we are going to circle the correct answer. Take a pencil, do it. We must share our work at home. Our parents look after us at home. We must help our parents to keep the house clean. We completed, no? Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here. Part B. Who does the following? Who does the following? Tick the correct boxes. You can tick more than one box. Shall we look at the box? Read it once again. Part B. Who does the following? Tick the correct boxes. You can tick more than one box. Look at here. Mummy, Papa, Grandma, Grandpa and you. Mummy, Papa, Grandma, Grandpa and you. Now, waters the plants. Waters the plants. Who waters the plants in your home? Mummy, Papa, Grandma, Grandpa. Otherwise you. Who water the plants? Now we are going to tick for that. Then lays the dining table. Who lays the dining table neatly? Number 3, cooks. Who cooks at home? Number 4, plays with you. Who plays with you? Shall we do it? Number 1, water the plants. Who water the plants in your home? Your mummy or papa? In my home, mummy and grandpa. So I am giving tick in mummy and grandpa. At your home, who watered the plants? There you have to give a tick. Okay. Lays the dining table. Who lays the dining table? Mummy, papa, grandma, grandpa or you? Yes, my papa lays the dining table and grandma also lays the dining table. And then who cooks? Who cooks the food? In my home, my mummy cooks the food and my grandma cooks the food. So I give tick in both the boxes. In your home, who cooks the food? You have to give a tick. And then plays with you. Who plays with you? Everybody plays with you. Your mummy also plays with you. Papa also plays with you. Grandma also plays with you. Everybody plays with you. Yes. So you can give tick in everywhere. Mummy also plays with you. Daddy. And then grandma. Grandpa. You also plays, no? Yes. Everybody plays with you. We completed, no? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now, part D. Think and answer. Think and answer. Zoya keeps her school bag in her room. When she returned from the school, she always, Zoya, the little girl, keeps her school bag in the room. Where she has to keep the school bag, there she keeps. She takes out her lunch box and keeps it in the kitchen sink. Sink means you know, no? Where your mummy keep the vessels to clean it. That's only a sink. She takes out her lunch box and keeps it in the kitchen sink. She also gives her dirty uniform to be washed. She removes her uniform and she put it in the, yes, where she has to keep the dress, dirty dress, there she keep the dress. And does Zoya help her parents? Yes or no? Zoya is doing everything correctly only, no? She keep the lunch box in the sink and she leaves the school bag where she has to keep, there she keep the school bag, and she removes the uniform and put it in the machine for her mummy to wash it. Is it a good thing only, no? Yes, she is helping or not helping? She is helping. So, you can give S. What you have to do? We have to write S. Y. She. Yes. Yes, she. Zoya help her parents. Yes, she is helping. Shall we do the next one? Last one, part F, value. Part 1, value. Draw happy or unhappy. Happy or unhappy. Number 1, I do not help grandpa find his pen. Grandpa is, if your grandpa missed the pen, he can't find the pen. If you help him to find the pen, how your grandpa feel? He feel happy or sad? He feel sad. If you didn't help the grandpa, how he feel? He feel sad. So you have to draw an unhappy face. Unhappy face. And then number 2, I help mummy to fold the clothes. Mummy is, when you help your mummy, how she feels? She feels happy. So you have to draw a happy face. And then number 3, I help my little sister put on her socks. My sister is, I help my sister, little sister. If you help your little sister to put on her socks, how she feels? She feels, thank you. She feels very lovable to her, no? She hug you, no? Yes. How at that time how she feels? She feel happy. So you have to draw a happy face. I did not keep my shoes in the place. Papa is, when you didn't keep the things on the correct place, how your daddy feel? Is he feel happy? No, Papa feels sad, unhappy. So you got to draw an unhappy face. Okay? You have to draw the faces correctly. Okay, children? You can draw here also. In the picture also you can draw. I help mummy to fold the clothes. No? Mummy is happy. There also you got to draw a happy face. And then I help my sister to put on her socks. My sister is happy. And then I didn't keep my shoes in the place. Fourth one, Papa is unhappy. Okay? Papa feels unhappy. We completed this now? Yes. Today's homework, you have to read the lesson 6, caring and sharing, in social studies book, and you have to do the book exercises and you have to post it to me. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed this class. Shall we meet in the next session? Thank you, children.